Welcome back to Tech Scout, your window into advanced industrial innovation. Today, we'll explore machinery that cuts, molds, welds, and assembles with precision. From food production to heavy-duty fabrication, every process reveals engineering mastery. Automation drives speed, accuracy, and consistency across global industries. Let's see how raw materials are transformed into everyday essentials. This system cuts angled ends on stainless tubes. Precision slicing ensures consistent, uniform sections for assembly. A robotic arm delivers perfect welds every time. Automation guarantees structural strength and faster production. Metal is stamped into uniform zipper teeth. This precision tooling supports clothing and outdoor gear. Trays are stacked automatically for packaging. Automation boosts speed in food manufacturing lines. Heated molds compress rubber into durable shoe soles. The process combines strength, comfort, and wear resistance. Footwear factories rely on it for mass production. Metal bowls are shaped, then ground for stability. Sheets of metal are pressed into frying pans. Uniform shaping ensures consistent cooking performance. Rubber is placed into heated molds. Compression forms small wheels used in industry. Cooling finalizes their strength and durability. Fabric rolls are folded and sealed in plastic. Machines then package them for safe shipping. Paper passes through a coloring line. Bright finishes prepare it for packaging use. Plastic cups are shaped from heat and pressure from large machines. Handles are molded and attached seamlessly. Molten glass is blown into precise molds. Controlled cooling hardens bottles for strength. This process supplies packaging worldwide. Glass sheets are scored, then snapped clean. Cutting ensures exact sizing for construction needs. Liquid wax fills uniform molds. Cooling produces solid candles for packaging. Dispensers layer ice cream into containers. Automation ensures hygiene and portion control. Eggs are sorted by size and weight. This guarantees consistency for distribution. Bottles move along an automated line. Capping machines apply closures with precision torque. This seals freshness and quality for storage. Large blocks are sliced into uniform units. Cutting creates standardized construction materials. Industrial drums are molded from metal sheets. These containers store liquids and bulk chemicals. Durability makes them vital for logistics. Fibers are inserted into slots, forming brushes. Strong binding ensures long-term durability. Metal wire is bent into circular bracelets. Automated forming allows consistent mass production. Tape is coiled tightly onto spools. This prepares it for later use. Tips and caps are attached to pens. Automation completes thousands of units daily. Threads are wound evenly onto spools. This step readies them for weaving. From welding steel to molding glass, machinery powers modern production. Each process shows how automation transforms raw materials efficiently. Factories rely on precision systems to meet growing demand. These machines combine speed, consistency, and global scalability. Industrial innovation shapes the products we use daily. Thanks for watching Tech Scout. Subscribe for more insights into advanced machinery.